Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to view your subscriptions on YouTube. So to do this you have just to go to YouTube, the app, open it. And after that, as you can see on the bottom of the screen, there is subscriptions icon. You have just to click on it. And here, as you can see on the top of the screen, like the form of stories, you will see the channels that you are subscribed to. And to see them all, you have to click on that blue all, like all written in blue. Click on it. And here you will find all the list of your subscriptions and all the channels that you are subscribed to. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.